In case you've forgotten, we are here. Right, with the washing on the line, the sun in the sky, and 2 more days here to make the most of all there is to see, we're off. Hello there and welcome to my channel. My name is Anita and I'm a Dutch-Kiwi. Day 2 and I'm still not driving, but my leg is getting a lot better. Right, we're just going to check out the possibility of taking a train ride tomorrow. A scenic one at that. What a fabulous information centre. We've got a whole package of information, extra books and all sorts, so we're ready for the train. We're just making our way to the railway station to purchase our tickets for tomorrow. Oh yes, she said it's only about a 10-minute walk and there's a wee tunnel so you can take that shortcut. It's all uphill from here. Right, and now over here to the buildings. And here's the railway station. Just have a look. Bit desolate. As long as it works, who cares? I tell you what, this is the most hairiest machine we've ever used. Now that wasn't easy. It took a couple of Frenchmen who didn't speak English and a couple of Dutchies who spoke English and not French, and a lot of discussion about what we had to buy, but we finally got our tickets. With the ticket booked, we proceeded to our destination, another beautiful waterfall. But it was lunchtime, and you know, when it's lunchtime, you've got to eat. A dish of hot chips. Oh man, this is just amazing. Anyway, we do have some sauces too. Beautiful, clear water, just like the information booklet said. I let Lane go ahead. There's a lot more than just the quick waterfalls, and it's quite steep, and I am going to walk it, but at my pace and not his. The leg is kind of still a bit tender, but I'm getting there, so come and walk with me for a little way. Ooh, yeah. Just awesome if you can hear me over the roar. Wow. So different from the other qualities, but they all can't be the same. So just trickling down. The other thing I love about climbs like this are seeing how these trees are holding on to dear life so that they don't cascade down. Look at that, hugging the soil. It's just hugging the soil for dear life. Oh, that was awful for this majestic tree to to not have anything to hold on to. I love it when a pasta comes together. I do. It's all in the taste, we know that, don't we? And here's to a good port. Very good port, in fact. Yesterday, when I was cooking, I was making some beetroot chutney. Believe it or not, but I am actually making some beetroot chutney. And I've got a jar somewhere. Let's have a look. There we are. Deep bow. A jar. What happened on Sunday is our hosts from the B&B invited us over. It was lovely and they're really nice people, and between our 3 languages and our hands and our feet, we are communicating beautifully. So tonight, we've invited them over for drinks, only we're going to actually sit in their conservatory because the sun is there. But this is what I've created so far. So we're going to be schnobbling lots of yummies. Now, here is the chutney, which we will eat with our little snacks and things. I'm also making beetroot tartare, of which I'll put on a plate. Everybody have a small portion of that with some French bread, of course. And we've got drinks aplenty, so we're going to take that across and we're going to make a night of it. So it'll be so much fun, and we don't have to drive. How's that? So all we have to do is go up those stairs at the end of the evening. It should be fun. So, and then at the end of the day, or the end of the evening, I will give her a jar of that chutney. I just hope I can surprise her. Here is the beetroot tartare. And now I'm going to cut the French bread. Well, I'm looking forward to this.
Different tastes. 5, 6 tastes, I don't know, with métier,
We've been so lucky with all our B&B hosts and hostesses, and well, you just feel like family and you'd like to go back for more. I couldn't have been happier. A beautiful waterfall, a lovely meal shared with new friends, and a ticket in our pocket for a train ride. And look, the train driver smiled and waved. I hope to see you when we go for that beautiful train ride. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that button, and be warned as soon as my new video comes online.